welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear those hazy headlights with a very simple system. Let's get started. So this kit that you get from Advanced Auto Parts comes with everything you really need. And then you have various compounds that you can use. So this one is by Turtle Wax. It's rubbing compound, removes stubborn stains. You can use it on plastic. And then this one is by Ms. Guiar's Plastic X, and it's basically a clear plastic cleaner and polish for headlights. This works really well even without this, but some headlights are too far gone and you will need to sand it. You could just get various sandpaper from Home Depot, 800, 500, 3000. We're going to start out with the lower number, 500, move on to 800 and then 3000 and then a polish. So this kit is really great. It comes with this wheel, and the wheel, you put it on a drill, and it comes with this. It's like a Velcro. So I'm going to remove this. This is the buffing wheel. This is our last piece, and we're going to look for the 500. It's the roughest one, which is this right here, and I'm going to put it on here. This is going to be the first one. You're basically sanding off a little bit of the headlights. So 500 grit. Now clear both headlights of any of the sand. So I'm going to just take a cloth, just wipe this out. It's this from a 500 to 800 grit. 800 grit now, we're going to just redo this entire thing. You're basically sanding off a little bit of the coat. So the 3000 is a much thicker pad on this system, 3000. You'll start to really see some polish coming through. Now this is where the magic happens. You get a cloth, you use your favorite compound. I'm going to use this one. This one is by Plastic X, and I'm just going to put this here, just spread it all over the headlight. I'm actually going to do this manually the first time, and then I'm going to polish it again with a polish wheel. So we're going to do that and just get it all over the place. Once you cover the entire thing, just kind of flip over your cloth into a nice clean section and start wiping it off. You'll feel a difference in texture as you're rubbing and it's removing it. So do this for a bit and flip your cloth to a clean one. So now I do this. Look at that difference. That is a big difference. That's amazing. So always be flipping this to a new bit of cloth. You don't want to use the same that's got the compound end in there. You want to remove it. Okay, this is pretty good. Flip it over. This time I'm actually going to be using this. So I'm going to remove the 3000 grit. We don't need it anymore. But we're going to use this. This is the polishing compound. Put it in there and I'm just going to rub it like this. Make sure you rub it in every inch of that headlight. Use a new piece of cloth. So you could get like some sort of acrylic clear coat such as this, or you can use enamel. So the problem with these types of sprays is that you're going to have to mask off all the stuff that you don't want painted, or remove the headlights and do it separately. So there is another option. You can get these from 3M. They're headlight clear coats. They're basically just clear coats on a little cloth. And do one strip like this, and just go down. And I don't want to overlap it too much, but that part is a little bit more difficult. So I'm kind of I'm trying not to get the old in there. Ah, what a difference. And we're going to start on this section and just look at the difference. Now I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to put another coat of this. After about 20 minutes, we're going to apply another coat of this 3M clear coat. And you should use gloves. So after 15 minutes, we're going to do this for the final coating. And one is enough for 2 headlights per packet, so that should be good. Try to see if I missed anything, and right here I missed a little bit. Manufacturer does say not to unfold, so do not unfold. That's pretty much how you can clear coat headlights. Now you can apply multiple coats of this, and it's not too expensive. The better option really is to use the spray, but for this I would have to mask everything around it. That is an option, but for this, you know, this will last you a couple of years. The clear coat that you get from a can is superior. So if you want longevity, use the clear coats in the can. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. It really helps out the algorithm in the channel, and I really appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next video.